Imagine typing your app without writing a single line of code. Sounds too good to be true? In the next 80 seconds, I'll show you how beginners can build their first AI app with Lovable AI and whether it's really this simple. Getting started is surprisingly easy. Just enter your app idea as a prompt, and Lovable AI begins generating the structure, interface, and core functionality in minutes. Not gonna lie, the dashboard is clean and beginner-friendly, so you don't need any coding experience to get started. Whether you're building a landing page, a business tool, or testing a startup idea, Lovable AI helps you create a working prototype much faster than traditional development. Honestly, it also lets you refine your project with additional prompts, making it easy to improve your app as your ideas evolve. Hang on. Before choosing a plan, make sure you check the latest pricing and any available offers. If there's an active discount, it's always worth claiming before you subscribe. If you'd like to try Lovable AI, you'll find my verified link in the description below. If a special discount is available, it'll be listed there too. And if you enjoy quick AI tutorials, honest reviews, and exclusive software deals, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.